Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports in Troutman, North Carolina. I'm going to just try a quick exhaust startup on this thing and see how she sounds. Tried to do it while I was driving, but with all the wind noise you couldn't really hear it. So let's fire her up and see what she sounds like. First time I've tried to do that. Maybe I should put the brake on next time. Alright, let me do a quick little walk around of this baby. It's a little bit dirty, a little dusty, sat in the garage. Got the Borla exhaust on it. This will be video number 2. I gotta clean these wheels. I've been driving the car the last few days when it hasn't been raining. So just want you guys to see what everything looks like. The air cleaner's been upgraded. The exhaust upgraded to the Borla exhaust, but everything else on this car, even the shift knob, is all stock. I like those grills in there, those are very cool. Anyway, if you like what you see, my website is listermotorsports.com, or you can look up buyasoutherncar.com. My name is Mark. I've been doing this for quite a while. Corvettes and Jaguars are my absolute favorite cars. This is Z06 2001. It's got 62,000 miles on it. I just did a video of her coming down the highway, and you see a bunch more pictures on my website of this car. Z06 has a trunk. It doesn't have a removable roof because of the horsepower. 01 was the first year of the Z06. This car is in excellent shape. It was owned by an older gentleman who took really good care of it. Even the shift knob is still stock. It's pretty amazing. Got some footprints in there and all that. My yard's got a little bit of mud in it. So, but basically you can see everything. Really well kept car. And it's just black and evil. This thing's beautiful. A lot of thumbs up today driving her through town. What a beauty. Alright guys, my number is 704-508-2150, and she's for sale. Video number 2, over and out.